Good afternoon, students. Today we'll start a topic of physical education, that is Olympic movement or Olympic value education. In this Olympic Games, where Olympics started, when it was started, by whom it was started, this history you can go through in your book, and I'll discuss about, there are two type of Olympic Games discussed in this topic: ancient Olympic Games and modern Olympic Games. There is lot of history. No one, it is not authentic that when ancient Olympic Games started, but approximately 776 BC it started in Roman Empire. That was the advanced flourished empire of that time, and up to 330 BC it was stopped by the king of Rome, and he was against these games. He destroyed the stadium and all and completely stopped. Now main point is how this Olympic Games started. There are different tales, many of telling different stories, that some kingdoms were fighting each other to unite together. Olympics were started, and one of the king of Rome, another tale is there. He said that whoever kidnap my daughter, I'll marry him. So many of them tried to kidnap, but nobody could succeed. Finally, one person, named Pelops, he succeeded to kidnap her, and finally he murdered that king and married that daughter of that king and become the king of Rome Empire. Likewise, many tales are there. In that period was might is right, means survival is the fittest person to survive, means people used to be healthy, strong, knowing war skills, fighting skills. Such related games were there in the ancient games, like wrestling, archery, javelin throw. We used to say Maharana Pratap ka bhala फेंक के दुश्मन को मार देना. So these archery and javelin throw, wrestling, these were the games in ancient Olympic Games. And every time new games are introduced and it was added in that. And some of few rules were then systematically when Olympic Games, ancient Olympic Games started. First it was known as Olympia Valley. This Olympic Games started in Olympia Valley. That's why name of Olympic is there, in 776 BC. Then onward, every time the Roman Empire used to conduct the games and they used to give some prizes and all. That time, that self-respect and honor was the greatest prize. People used to, we will discuss later on about the prizes and all. That time medals and all or cash prize was not there. In form of animals, food grains and all they used to give. Man was honor in front of the public. सब अपने सम्मान के लिए जीते थे उस टाइम में. जिसका सम्मान ज़्यादा होगा वो आदमी की वैल्यू ज़्यादा होती थी. Some were the rules to participate in ancient Olympic Games. Those rules were followed strictly. First rule was competitor must be of Greek and only a Greek person. Only Greek people were allowed. Greek citizens were only allowed to take part, and that too not all Greek citizens. Hellenic race, ये एक जाति होती थी जो डोमिनेटिंग मार्शल कॉम जिसको बोलते हैं, जो उच्च जाति, वही लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते थे. Then second rule for participating in ancient Olympics, savages and punished persons were not allowed. Means those were undergoing the criminal charges, punished by the kings, एंड जो गुलाम होते थे, किसी वजह से गुलामी करते थे, दोज पीपल वर नॉट अलाउड. And those who are taking part in the Olympic Games, they must stay in the Olympia for 1 month. Means those who are interested to take part in the Olympic Games, they have to come in the Olympic Valley. Olympic Valley, that Olympia village is there. They have to stay there for 1 month and take oath. During that period, they have to take oath that they have undergone the training in their own area for 10 months. This 10 months oath they have to take, that earlier they have practiced in their own region for around 10 months. Those people were only allowed. Now, women's, आज के टाइम भी पर्दा सिस्टम है बहुत जगह, पुराने टाइम में भी इस टाइप का पर्दा सिस्टम होता था. वुमेन्स वर नॉट गिवन द इक्वल राइट्स and they were always behind the four walls. They were not allowed to even participate and witness the tournament. See, Olympic Games were conducted, no women participant were allowed and no women were permitted to witness the Olympic Games. So women were considered as slaves, savages. They were not allowed. And next rule of participating in ancient Olympic game, that is, person who are those taking part had to practice for 1 month in the Olympia. Means that person must come and practice in Olympic Valley for 1 month. They what finally area in which arena wrestling used to be, or those equipments which is to be used in the Olympic, you are practicing with those equipments and all, becoming familiar of that area. And next one is, only amateur sportsmen can take part, not professionals. Amateur word is related with who is not playing for money, playing for the country or playing for the nation, playing for their region, empire. Those sportsmen were permitted to take part, but those who are professional players, they were not allowed. Even in modern Olympics also, before 2-3 Olympics, professional players were not allowed. But nowadays, government has changed the rule, and now professional players are also permitted to take part. Like Mike Tyson and all, boxers and all, they all were professional players. They were not allowed to take part in the Olympic. But nowadays, all players, like our Virender of Haryana, he is now becoming the professional player, but when he gets chance to participate in Olympic, they will be taking part in Olympic. What about Saina Nehwal, Saina Mirza, or PV Sindhu? All they are professional player, but they are also participating in Olympic Games. Means nowadays, amateur players and professional, both are permitted to take part in the modern Olympic Games. So these were the rules in ancient Olympic Games. So further, how this, what is the different tales and all of Olympic Games? कई ये भी बोलते हैं देवी देवताओं में आपस में युद्ध हुआ था, देवी देवताओं में रेसलिंग हुई थी, उसमें ये जीत गया, वो जीत गया, ज्यूस जीत गया, ज्यू उनका भगवान होता है, वो जीत गया, उसकी खुशी में ओलंपिक मनाया जाता है. देयर आर डिफरेंट टेल्स. व्हेन यू गो इन स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द टॉपिक व्हाट इज द हिस्ट्री ऑफ एंशिएंट ओलंपिक गेम्स, यू विल लर्न मोर. एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट इज व्हेन ओलंपिक गेम्स स्टार्टेड and it was ended before 300 BC, and what were the rules for participating in ancient Olympic Games, and awards we will discuss later. Thank you. Have a healthy day and take care. Whatever things are taught to you, we are not aware or we are not sure when practically we are running the schools and all. So whatever notes you are getting, then and there you make a physical education copy, normal register, not that accounts copy which is having length as well as broad width size also, that copy is not allowed. Register which you are getting in the shops and all, around 200 pages, that register you make physical education, and every day is not keep putting in that. Out of that only questions are becoming. Now objective question may come, that where ancient Olympic games started, place name in the year, what were the rules of ancient Olympic games. So these are the or different tell of starting the ancient Olympic games. एक कहानी सुनाओ कि कैसे एंशिएंट ओलंपिक गेम शुरू हुआ था और कैसे बंद हुआ था. Actually this paragraph theoretical base, so you can go through in the book. If you are not having the book, you go to the school store and buy a physical education book 11th standard, that should be of Saraswati publication. This is available in our school store also. You can go through and take care of your health and your family health. Thank you. Have a nice day.